Hi, my name is Ambrosio. I'm the lead negotiator of technology of Chile, also of AILAC, so Alliance of Independent Countries of Latin America and the Caribbean, and also of the G77 in China. I've been in this process since 2016. Um, and my first engagement with LRI was, I believe, I have heard before, but I believe it was in Dubai when one of the colleagues of LRI happened to be Chilean. So uh, I introduced LRI to the negotiation meeting on technology as the legal advisors, to make a point that we had legal advice on topics. And this was important because, especially when you negotiate on this setting, that is a legal setting, so this is legal decisions of legal nature, international treaties. Uh, Words matter a lot, and most developing countries are not English native speakers. So when you're presenting a point, having legal advice, so on what the words mean, what would be the implication, it's crucial to understand that you're using the words that will allow you to get what you want to get as an outcome of the decision that you're making here with the other parties. Being a bit more specific, there was great legal advice on some decisions that have not implemented by the ECF yet. And it was a very technical and interesting question between the relationship of guidance provided under the COP with existing guidance under the GCF that serve is part of the operating entities for the financial mechanism that serve the COP and the Paris Agreement, but is a separate entity from the UNFCCC, and it has its own set of rules. So that this was a question how you interpret the rules set up under the COP that provide specific guidance with the rules set up under the ECF for delegation of obligation that are more general. So there was a very interesting advice on the different interpretations. Also, we have an advice on the legality of providing guidance to operating entities under different tracks and the possibility of trying to bring over the tracks that have linkages with potential financial guidance to operating entities. So it was all of this was very interesting and helped us understand, not just me, because since I represent two groups, help the full groups of the developing country parties to gain a better understanding of these topics that become very complex when you talk about different entities that are international entities that have a clear relationship but have their own processes.